A new rumor states that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered exclusive by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset worldwide, but that won't be the case for the rest of the Galaxy S series. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra might rock this Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 worldwide, and the S24 Plus could gain significant display improvements. Earlier this year, Samsung surprised Galaxy S fans by abandoning its two-chipset strategy for the Galaxy S23 series and powering the flagship trio with a Qualcomm chip worldwide. It may be difficult for Samsung to revert to its traditional two-pronged method and divided the market between Exynos and Snapdragon chips across its entire flagship series because it may have put itself in a bind by using a Snapdragon chip exclusively for the 2023 flagship phones. Many fans prefer Snapdragon over Exynos. The concept now is that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will use the unexpectedly Exynos 2400 SoC in some locations and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and others, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use the Snapdragon chip all over in the world to appease supporters. As for the chips themselves, the Exynos 2400 chip seems announcing on paper, especially since Samsung had a lot more period to develop. It is said to have 10 CPU cores and 2 times as many GPU cores as the Exynos 2200, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For Galaxy has 8 CPU cores and a few cores are clocked more high than the standard version of the chip, whereas big display upgrades are on the way to the Samsung Galaxy S24, says leaker Ice Universe, including an increase to a WQHD display resolution. This would be up from the FHD resolution used on the Galaxy S23 Plus, and several before the generations of Galaxy S Plus devices, and in line with what the top Galaxy S23 Ultra model offers, while it's more difficult to entirely compare this resolution with iPhones. This might probably mean the S24 Ultra would provide more pixels than even the iPhone 15 Pro Max, assuming Apple doesn't change the display in an unanticipated way. Revegnis, a leaker, claims that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could have up to 2 TB of onboard storage, suggesting that it could have more storage than most laptops. Revegnis also claims that the S24 Ultra will have 12 GB of RAM for its 256 GB model and up, but there may also be an 8 GB and 128 GB version. Although the launch date for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has not yet been confirmed. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.